the height of the snow. It's my hand, so it's like 8 inches. Whoa, did that all fall in?
Mhm.
Okay, it just fell right in my phone. Okay, there's a car stuck out there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, right there. There's a car stuck right in front of our house. Ha, that's funny. Yeah, he's flooring it, trying to get out of there. Just heard the engine. Two guys are like digging it out. I should yell. Ow, this hurts. Two guys out there with a shovel trying to dig it out.
It's melting.
I know. Right on my arm. This is the most snow that I can actually really remember since the blizzard of '99. You were.
No, I was in 1 year.
You were?
In 6 months.
1999.
Yeah. Before I am.
December. That's 1 year. Whatever.
Stop it. Yes, keep talking.
Oh, it's melting because of the light, that's why.
I'm turning it off.
Okay.
You're ugly.
They're swearing at each other. Look at the snow, too. It's deep crap. Can't even see the guys. They're like right in the middle of the street, too. Whatever. I'm gonna end it right here.
It's probably 100.